Hello there. This video is going to show you two different strategies for taking the results of a content analysis of open-ended feedback and converting it into a table that shows you the most frequent and least frequent comment themes that popped up in both terms of the number of comments and then the total sample size. So the first thing that you will want to do is figure out the total number of comments in your actual data so that that'll be the denominator of your percentages that you compute at the end. What you'd want to do, I've hidden the comments here just for confidentiality, but you'd want to delete the row for any, if there's, gaps in your data where they don't have any comments whatsoever. And I've already done that here. So then what you want to do is you can either go to the very bottom and you can create a new variable that just says sum maybe. And then go to where you've already got every single comment has been rated. So either you used AI to generate themes or you figured them out yourselves and you've worked in a team and people have rated these comments based on themes that were previously determined to be in those comments. And you can see this comment included all of these different themes. So there's a 1 in those cells. Okay, so you go to the bottom of that. Sum, we do equals sum, double click that. And then you just want to highlight all the way up. Or you can click the bottom and scroll up and hold down shift and click the top and it will highlight everything in between. Okay, and hit enter. If you're on a Mac, it's probably not shift, it's probably something else. There we go, so that's the end. So I'm just going to click, see, I got that plus sign at the bottom. Click and drag it to copy over. Or you can click on this and highlight over and do Home tab. Fill, right. Same thing, it copies that formula over, but it's like, hey, this is cell F, so now we're gonna do this thing in cell F, and then it moves over to G as it moves over. Now what you can do, if you know that you have 30, let's see, we have top row, okay, and then we go all the way down to 40, so we have 39 comments, all right? So let's do the percent, and just do equals this divided by 39. Just type it in. And then like we did before, I'll show the other way the first time now. Just copy over, fill, right, or do the little plus sign. While it's still highlighted, you can right click in here or double click if you're on the Mac. At least I know that. Format cells, number, percentage. And if you don't want any decimals, then you can set that there. Okay. Now from here, this would be kind of a difficult table to display. It's better to have this in rows. So you could copy this. We copy, okay, Control C or click up here. Go here. We're gonna paste values first. Okay, so that takes all that formula stuff out of it. Now let's copy it again. And go over here and see if it'll let us, transpose. There you go. So now you could do the same thing with your categories. Just copy those. See if it'll let us transpose. Yay! And there you go. Now if it wasn't already sorted in order from here, you could highlight this, go home, sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. It's already sorted that way. Make sure expand the selection is there. There you go. Okay. And then from here you would want to format those cells as a percentage.